stars of tomorrow get their shot in the limelight today as the show's coverage of the Southern League is on the air. Lots of pink in the stands and on the field for this Mother's Day matchup between the Mississippi Braves and the Biloxi Shuckers. And before we close in on first pitch, a look at the starting lineups here for the finale. And then briefly, let's take a look at the two starting pitchers who get the assignment here. Sean Casson will stand in, back in the lineup after getting the night off yesterday. Bases are empty, one man out. Full count offering on its way. Now he swings and hits this ball on the ground. And that finds its way into center for a one-out base hit.
Boy, you talk about a ball having eyes. First off, he's fortunate to get this one by the pitcher. It's not hit especially hard, but you'll see it get past second base where neither middle infielder can track it down. And it'll make its way into center field.
Catfish Brown will stand in for the first time now, and he's got that average up over the 300 mark to begin play. First offering on the way. And here's a slider that's nowhere close, and it's 1-0. Eric, you take a look at our visiting club as they take the field tonight here in the bottom of the first. They're on a great run of late as they come in winners of 7 of their last 9 games.
And that last win gets them a step closer to the 500 mark. They can actually reach 500 if they can pull this one out.
That swung on and missed. We're even at 1-1.
Well, this pitching staff has done a pretty darn good job against them in this series.
The 1-1. And a curveball here. Good pitch, but a better take, and it's to 2-1 now. Two out with the man at first. Here comes the 2-1. Swinging a ball pretty well hit out towards left center. Trevino is going to have room out there as he puts this away to retire the side. We've played an inning, still 0-0. Felix Murillo will dig in here. He flew out his first time around.
Here we go, guys. 2 down here.
Now here it comes.
Hey, have a good rip up there, huh?
That's on the ground to short. This should end the inning. And indeed it will. He throws him out at first, and the side is retired. Nothing across here this half. To the bottom of inning number 4 we go. And we are tied 0-0. Catfish Brown will lead things off here in the home half of the 4th.
Catfish Brown.
Now the first pitch. And look out as this bat shatters on impact. And he'll steer clear of the flying debris to make the catch here for the first out. Eduardo Mora will dig in, 1 for 2, including a double back in the first. Nobody out, runner on first.
Ground ball right here. Let's turn 2.
Hey, strike him out here.
The 1-2.
Hey, come on, big guy.
On the ground towards second. One there. On to first, and they get the double play.
baseman, Buddy Ariano.
Catfish Brown will dig in. 0 for 2. He's flied out and popped out so far.
Catfish Brown.
Now here's the first pitch. And he takes ball 1.
1-0.
A runner at first with no outs here. The 1-0 pitch. Swing and a miss at the bender, and it's even at 1-1.
Yeah, and he's really getting over the top of that curveball.
Hey, let's go right here.
Here's the 1-1. And a curveball's by him that time as he falls behind now 1-2. Here comes a 1-2. And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul.
Good one right here. Let's go through right here.
Again, a 1-2. Fastball called, strike 3, and there's the first out of the inning. Sean Casson will step in with a big opportunity to get that insurance run home from second. 2 out here and a runner at second.
Shut him down.
Here's the 1-2. Slider swung on and grounded toward short. Throw to first in plenty of time, and the side is retired. So no runs on a hit here, no errors, 1 man left on. We'll move on now to the bottom half of the 7th. Get up and stretch. Mississippi's out in front, 1-0. Marcus Jacobson will get the ball now as he'll take over on the mound to start the home 7th.
Marcus Jacobson.
Catfish Brown will stand in now, hoping to get on track as they've been able to neutralize his power out of the cleanup spot. 0 for 3 thus far. And a half-hearted swing there as he tried to go the other way, and it's strike 1.
Yeah, he really pulled off of that one, and that's not the kind of swing we're accustomed to seeing from a guy like him.
Right, especially starting off an at-bat.
And this is going to be a foul ball in amongst the spectators. The pitch. And opposite field as he lines this down the line in right. And that'll get down for what should be extra bases. The tag, and he's out at second base. He probably should have stayed right where he was.
The batter, number 5, second baseman.
Sean Casson will be his first assignment upon entering as he'll bat with the runner in scoring position here and 2 away.
Get us out of here. Let's go.
Hey, come on, big guy.
He's set, now the pitch. Hit on the ground to short.
All right, hold it here, hold it here.
And he'll make it up to third here thanks to the throwing miscue, and we'll see how they want to score this play.
Yeah, that's a tough throw for a first baseman to try and handle. You get a look here at first. You see him stick that right leg out there trying to backhand this thing, but winds up popping right in and out of the pocket.
Catfish Brown will stand in now with the tying and winning runs on base and 2 men gone here in the ninth. Here's the first offering. And he'll hold off on the slider here to start the at-bat. It's ball 1. Nervous time now in that third base dugout.
Heck, nervous time up here. My heart's racing, and I'm just watching this game.
The next pitch. That missed. Close. It's ball 2.
They're definitely making him work out there. He came in trying to shut the door, and he has not had an easy time of it.
Hitters count 2-0. And he has a cut at that one, but misses 2-1.
And that had all the looks of a guy who was going to take a giant hack 2-0, no matter where that pitch was. EK, I know you never did that.
Not me. Maybe once.
He's fallen behind now, 3-1.
Yeah, after that last swing, I would have thought they'd go right back in, but that's actually not a bad location because I doubt he was looking for something out.
Now the 3-1. And this is swung on and missed, so now they find themselves down to their final strike tonight.
There's not a whole lot of conviction in that swing. It was almost like an afterthought, like an emergency hack.
3-2, here it comes. Swing and a liner. But that's a foul ball. 2 big outs here, but the tying and winning runs are both out there. Payoff pitch one more time. And the payoff pitch is chopped foul at home plate, so we'll do it again. Still 3-2. Payoff pitch coming. Back up the middle, and that'll get through. It's into center, a base hit. Around third and being waved on home. And that's going to plate the tying run from second as we've got ourselves a brand new ball game now. And time will be called here as the pitching coach heads out to the mound and hopefully try and settle this guy down a bit. Bob Gunter will come on needing to get the final out here to send this one into extra innings. Will stand in, the 8th batter in the inning, as he'll get a shot with 2 on and 2 out. Action in the bullpen now as a right-hander begins to throw out there. Here's the first pitch. A late swing here as this is hit hard to the right side. And he'll step on the bag himself, and the inning is over. So hold everything as they catch lightning in a bottle here in the bottom of inning number 9 and come back to tie this ball game. 10th inning coming up. And we are all tied at 3 apiece. Stephen Medley will come on now as he'll take over to start the extra frames. Buddy Arellano will start things off here as this topsy-turvy ball game heads for a 10th inning.
Well, both teams had a chance to win this thing in the 9th, and both bullpens faltered. And now here we are wondering what's in store for us next.
Hey, strike this guy out. Let's go.
Now here's the pitch. Hit hard on the ground is short. Throw to first gets him. 1 out here to lead off the 10th.
Now batting, second baseman, Jamie Cedeno.
Catfish Brown will step in. An RBI single this last time around.
Catfish Brown.
First pitch coming. First pitch fastball off the plate there, and it's ball one.
A lot of late movement on that fastball. That nearly came back to the outer edge.
One out, nobody on. Here's a 1-0. Now a swing and a hard hit ball to short. Oh, and he has some trouble with it. And now, fortunately, they will get an out here.
And on a ball hit as hard as this one was, that's an excellent job to just get a glove on it and prevent it from going into left field. And then he's able to corral it and throw it on to first in time. Boy, that's a nice play.
Full of fine individual performances to choose from in this one, boys, but what do you say we go ahead and let this man take home the hardware? He's our tops player of the game.
Yeah, no question he was a tough out up there. You see the 3 hits, including a home run. Without him in the lineup, I think this might have been a different story.
So that'll put a wrap on things here this evening. For my partners Eric Karros and Steve Lyons, I'm Matt Vasgersian. This has been a